In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your bank account in SafePal Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up your SafePal Wallet on your mobile device. And then on here, on the wallet page at the bottom left, you want to click on Bank, which is the second option up top. Now, when you tap on Bank, over here you'll have to click on Get Started, which is at the very bottom, so the blue button. And then it will say have a referral code. You simply can, of course, enter a referral code in case you have one and press confirm, or just press skip in case you don't have one. And of course, you will also have to agree to the terms and conditions. After that, simply it will say bank account created, and then you'll have to click register on Fiat 24. And then it says during the registration process, you will need to prepare your passport, be at your home, and then allow location access. Now, make sure you have these things ready, and then you can continue. So from here, press register on Fiat 24. And then over here, it will say welcome. Registration takes 5 to 10 minutes. Click on sign to continue. And then over here, you will have to basically do your ID verification. Click on submit, your Face ID will go through. And then over here, of course, you will have to complete all the steps. So as I just said earlier, you will have to put in all your data, your photos of your ID, basically tell them everything they ask you for. And then you'll have to take pictures and you'll have to basically fill in the required information, toggle things, answer some questions. And after you do this, basically you'll be able to confirm your identity verification and you'll see this message which says ID verification complete. You can review your data and photos, and if everything is correct and looking okay, simply click on continue down here at the very bottom, and you've successfully completed your bank account setup. Now you can then go to SafePal Wallet and you can use your bank account from there. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.